Hi and welcome to this video where I share free Excel tutorials, and today I'm going to talk about macros in Excel. I'm going to tell you what they are, why you want to use them, and I'm going to give you a very simple example on to let you see how it actually works in the Microsoft Excel. So a macro is basically a very tiny program that you can create within the Microsoft Excel that is going to automate task. Okay, it might be a little difficult to create, edit, or manage a macro in Excel because it requires a little bit of programming. So why do people use it? Well, the answer is a macro can save you a lot of time, especially when you have many tasks that you have to repeat them often. So a macro can save you that hassle. Um, a macro can achieve a complicated task with a basic formula or a basic function. It can be something really simple, but it is extremely useful when you need to do something complicated like searching through a folder of hundreds of Excel spreadsheets where you have to go through every single worksheet and every single workbook to look for specific data and to maybe extract that data into another workbook and so that you can edit that workbook and so it's going to take a lot of time, right? Um, so once you have that data that you extracted, you can edit the data, the workbook, hit a button and have it go out all to the other workbooks where you get the data from originally and put in the updated data. Now all this sounds very complicated, and it's normal to anybody who's not familiar with macros in Excel. If you do this kind of task by hand, it's going to take you hours. But with macro in Excel, you could just take a few minutes, and the job is done. But many people don't like to use macro because to create a macro it might take up hours of your time if you are not a programmer. So I'm not a programmer myself, but today I'm going to show you how you can create a macro. This is a very simple macro, and you can learn to do this in no time. Okay, so in order to create a macro, we're going to use VBA. Okay, VBA, you might heard of it because it is used along with macro. It's basically a programming language used in creating the macro. Okay, it stands for Visual Basics Application. So we're going to use VBA to create a macro in order for us to automate a task within an Excel. Okay, so for the example today that I want to show you is I'm going to create a macro, and it's going to pop up with a message saying that this is a macro. Okay, so first we need to access the VBA menu. To do so, we have to press alternate 11 alt 11. Okay, so I'm going to press it. So I already have this open, as you can see. This is a Visual Basic book, and I already have the message done here. The macro is done here. So it begins with, let me do this again. Okay, it begins with by you start typing it, sub space message underscore box. Okay, and press enter. Okay, when you press enter, you can see that the VBA comes up with two parentheses. So basically it's telling you that it will show whatever you write within this bracket. Okay, so I'm gonna type in a message box. So it's going to be MSG box. Okay, and I'm going to press space. Okay, and here you can see that the VBA is prompting us with some programming languages. Okay, so I'm going to press quote, and then let's type here, hi, this is a macro. Okay, and then close the quote. Okay, so I want to have a box appear in Excel saying hi, this is a macro. So I've done it by typing it in a message box um, format, and saying hi, this is a macro. Okay, so after this you just need to press enter, and you can see the message box comes with a capital M and a capital B. Okay, so basically our macro is now completed. Okay, and name of the macro is here, sheet 1. Okay, so let's go back to our Excel file. Okay, and in order for us to execute the macro, to view the macro, we need to press alternate F8. Okay, alt F8. Okay, when you press alt F8, you can see this macro box pops up, and we're going to run this macro over here. Okay, so we're just going to click run, and you can see, hi there, hi, this is macro. Okay, this is exactly what I typed right here. So this is the macro that appears in your Excel. Okay, I hope you find this video useful in order for you to learn more about macro in Excel, and thank you for watching.